We're here today at Finley High School in southern New South Wales and supporting Speak and Share, a terrific program that we supported through our community grants program earlier this year. They were successful in receiving $20,000 to contribute to spread their message to regional areas. The guys have done a bit of a country roadshow. They were down in the Wimmera region last month. They'll be off to Dookie University later today, and then today they're going through Year 7 all the way through to Year 12, speaking to all the students from Finley High School and encouraging them to speak about how they're feeling and share how they're feeling and check in on their mates more importantly.
So I started Speak and Share with Nathan and Ben, a couple of school teachers from the Mornington Peninsula. Came together with a bit of a dream about tackling this problem that is mental health and the awareness around it. So we made a social media and put out the presence of a problem shared is a problem halved, and people were aligning with that message. It's grown into today being a school program, a sporting club program and a workplace offering. But with that we like to run community events, and we do social media, a bit of merchandise, any way that we can spread this message that it's important to be having these conversations.
So we've got around 330 students. The population of Finley itself isn't as big, but we draw from areas, the small towns like Tocumwal, Berrigan, Drewildry around the area, which make up, the large percentage of our population. Particularly being in a rural area and the stigma around mental health in country areas. The program that they deliver and how they deliver it, I thought would be fantastic, and it's been great what they've done today. Yeah.
Finley is an area that is a strong farming community. There's so many of the students here at the school come from farming families. So for us at GrainCorp, there's that great alignment between the communities that we have a presence in and we engage with on a regular basis. The students here would know about GrainCorp and their families would too. So for us to be able to contribute and give back to these kids and the community in general is a terrific way.